Hi everyone, my name is Nick, and today I'm going to be teaching resident advisors and residence directors how to submit a payment request using OrgSync. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to open a web browser of your choice and go to go.gwu.edu/OrgSync. The next step is to sign in with your campus ID, and once you complete signing in using GW's single sign-on, you'll be taken to the OrgSync homepage. From this page, you're going to want to navigate to My Memberships in the top right and click on Your Building. For the sake of this tutorial, let's pretend that I'm a resident advisor in Potomac House. So I'm going to click on Potomac House. So now we are on the Potomac House building portal. On the navigation bar below the cover photo, we're going to navigate to the last option, More. From the drop-down menu, select Treasury. Now we will click the Manage Budgets button. On the budget page, select the budget line that we want to request money from. For this example, we're going to want to request money from the Potomac House G-World funds for a programming event. Now that we're on the G-World detail page, we're going to want to select the item line that best fits what we're requesting money for. Potomac House only has one item line for all G-World funds, but your building may have different categories. Now, you will be directed to another page where you have to select the line item to request money from. Potomac only has miscellaneous supplies as an option, but again, your building may be different. To request a payment to use the miscellaneous supplies funds, we're going to select the Request Payment button in the bottom right-hand corner of this panel. On the next page, the first thing you want to do is enter a title for the event that you're requesting money for. For this tutorial, we're just going to type in Test Event as the title of our event. The next step is to select a payment type. This is very important. You should only be requesting money from the G-World card option or the credit card option. So we're going to select G-World card for our tutorial. Now we have to enter some information about our event. So the first thing we're going to do is enter the floor that this event is for. So let's say Potomac Floor 4. For the event name, we're going to just type in Test Event again. For the date of our event, let's just say August 10th. Now, if we're collaborating with faculty in residence or a faculty guide, we should select yes in this option, but we're not, so let's say no. For how many people we're expecting at our event, we'll just say 10. For this next part, we need to enter the vendor that we are spending the money that we are requesting at. So we'll just say Chick-fil-A. For our event, we're just going to buy Chick-fil-A for 10 people. Now, I've done some research about how much money I think I'll be spending at Chick-fil-A, and I did that research based on what I think I'll be buying. So in this field, we have to enter with as much detail as possible what we think our expenses will be. So let's just say sandwiches, plates, cups, etc. Now this is the really important part. In this blue box, we're going to enter how much money we are requesting. So let's say I've estimated that it's going to cost about $45 at most for all of my expenses. So we're going to enter 45. We're not going to worry about these last options, and we're just going to click the green Submit button. Now we can see our payment request has been processed and is waiting to be approved by either the residence director or area coordinator of our building. Congratulations, you've now submitted a payment request for your event.